Assalamualaikum guys, I am Ifra Kashif and you are watching Basics of Linguistics. Today we will discuss what is language. Before starting our video, I will request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notifications so that you don't miss any update. Like, share, comment my video, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comment section. So without wasting our time, let's just move towards our topic, that what is language. But before discussing the topic, I will ask you a question, that can you make tea without adding tea leaves to it? ठीक है, आप चाय के अंदर आप पानी डाल रहे हो, आप दूध डाल रहे हो, आप चीनी डाल रहे हो. Can you make a tea with all these ingredients? No, a tea can't be made until we have the tea leaves, which means that tea leaves are the necessary or the basic or the main element required for making our tea. And you know, milk and sugar, they are the optional part for making your tea, but the necessary thing that is needed for making the tea is the tea leaves. As tea leaves are necessary for making the tea, same is the case with communication. Language is as important as tea leaves in communication. If we don't have any language, we can't communicate properly. If there would be no language, how will we interact toward the society? How will we meet the people? How will we convey our ideas, convey our feelings, convey our emotions, convey our day-to-day conversation with them? How will we communicate people without the usage of any language? No, it's not possible. It's as much as not possible, it's as difficult to communicate without language as to make a tea, or as impossible as to make a tea without adding tea leaves to it. And all of you know that human beings are the social beings. Obviously, we will need different people in our surroundings, in our for our day-to-day communication, for our discussion, dealing with the business, or teaching towards a student, or even asking your mom to cook a sandwich for you, to make or to bake a cake for you. So all we need is the language for our life, for living. Even I think so we people think in language, because you will think that I want a cake. How will you think it without the language? I know, yes, you can think, but we obviously we think in words. I want a cake. So language is very necessary in our daily routines, in our daily lives. I can say that it will be very difficult to move forward in the society, or to look forward in a society without any language. It's very difficult, very difficult to move in a society without any language. So by taking an idea of life without existence of a language, I think you have imagined the life without the language. Let's have a look at what language is. Language is a way of communication, a system of signals, the arbitrary signals that can be our voice, that can be our gestures, or can be the written symbols. Basically, language is a mode of communication. And that very communication can be written or can be oral, can be either spoken or can be written. That consists of words in a structured way or a conventional way. But can I say that there is a language that exists without words? To me, yes, because a language can be verbal, which means it has words, or can be non-verbal, which means you mean the written language. But I believe that our gestures or the sign language is also a part of our language. So language can be non-verbal somehow. Okay, let's discuss it how different people have provided the definitions regarding language. Henry Sweet, 1895, have defined language that language is expression by means in which sounds are combined into words and then words are combined into sentences. You know the basic element of language, that is a phoneme, or I can say the replacement of phoneme. I can say the most smallest part that make a sound is just like a, ba, ta, da. Okay, that with th sound. You know that sounds are combined to form the words, and then the words, different words make up the sentences. Okay, and it is the way that how we communicate, how we describe our ideas, our thoughts, our expressions to the other. And the language is purely non-instinctive, which means that language is totally unlearned method of communicating ideas, emotions, desires, and a system of produced symbols. I can say that language is unlearned. Somehow that a student or a child has a language in his mind in the form of language acquisition device, or and he acquires that very language, or he is kept living in a society where a language is spoken, he will definitely acquire that very language. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लोग घर में बच्चे के साथ जो लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं, जिस तरह से बात करते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं मम्मा बनाओ या बाबा बनाओ, तो वो उसी तरह से आगे लैंग्वेज बोल रहा होता है, उसी तरह से आगे एक्वायर कर रहा होता है. ठीक है ना. तो लैंग्वेज बेसिकली इज अ मेथड ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग योर आइडियाज, इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स. Language is a way of communication. I know that there are non-linguistic symbols like your gestures, your actions, your signals, or various kinds of things to communicate. But these things, are not necessary in our day-to-day conversation, or they are not enough to communicate with the other person or to describe the whole thought with it. Obviously, we will need language for it, and language is a medium for communication. And obviously language is a social phenomena as language exists in society, because हम लोग एक जगह पर रह रहे हैं, एक सराउंडिंग्स में एक ऐसी जगह पर रह रहे हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना कि एक इंसान एक लैंग्वेज बोले और बाकी उसको समझे ना. तो लैंग्वेज इज सोशल फिनोमेना, एक ऐसी चीज़ को सोसाइटी अडॉप्ट करती है, कि ऐसी चीज़ जिसको सोसाइटी डेवलप करती है, एक ऐसी चीज़ जो सोसाइटी यूज़ करती है फॉर देयर डेली डे टू डे कम्युनिकेशन. And language is non-instinctive and conventional. Language is conventional, because different languages, according to the eras, are made, they developed, expand, and then they are buried. And language is non-instinctive because it is acquired by human being. Nobody has a language in heritage. He or she acquires it, and has been provided with the innate ability to acquire that very language. And language is arbitrary. For example, if I would say a tree, ठीक है, क्या मेरे पास ऐसी लॉजिक है कि मैं ट्री को ट्री कहूँ, मैं ट्री को एप्पल ना कहूँ, या मैं ट्री को बनाना ना कहूँ? I have no logic. There is no logic behind the language, behind the thing. There is no connection, there is no logical relationship between the language and the things. Language is systematic. We know that language is a set of certain symbols, like our English language is a set of certain symbols, certain vowels, certain phonemes, or certain alphabets, you can say. यहाँ पर एक बात जो समझने वाली है वो ये है कि जो हम लोग की इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में जो सबसे ज़्यादा बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है ना लैंग्वेज का, दिस इज़ द साउंड, और वी कैन कॉल इट अ फोनीम लाइक a, b, p. These are the phonemes of language, and these phonemes combine to form the words, or you can call it the morphological pattern, and these words are then combined to form the sentence. That is the syntactic pattern of those sentences, and then these sentences are combined to form a discourse. कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ आप लोगों ने लैंग्वेज में, क्या कभी ऐसा देखा है कि सिंबल से डायरेक्ट डिस्कोर्स बन गया? We will always see that symbols are combined to form words, different alphabets are combined to form words. These Words later on combine and recombine to form sentences, and then sentences combine to form a discourse or a paragraph or a essay writing. Okay, and you know that human language is quite different from the other animals. Human language is more complex. It has structural complexity in it as compared to the other languages, or you can say the language of animals, that they always say meow meow, bow bow, and they don't have any structural complexity in them. But the human language, it has structural similarity, complexity, and as I have said, that words, sentences, the phonemes and the discourse, you know. So यहाँ तक कि आप लोगों को concepts clear हो गए होंगे. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Until, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe the video, like, share and comment the video.